guys, Ashley with Disney Toy Box here, and today we did our celebration video at Disney to celebrate 500 subscribers, and we took you guys along. So make sure to watch to the end of the video and watch us unbox at Disney. Thanks for subscribing.
Isn't this fun?
Inside the pirate ship, and you will watch your children.
And off we go!
If you're just joining us, welcome aboard the Walt Disney World Railroad. We have been cleared to depart the station. Sit back, relax. We are all aboard.
Permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren. Y cuide a los pequeños.
Still have about a car length left to go. Stay seated, please.
Disney toy box, huh? That sounds like fun. This is my toy.
After a great day at Disney's Magic Kingdom, we're doing something we don't think another toy channel has ever done. An unboxing at Disney. We did Disney's Funko Pop vinyl figures with a great view of Main Street USA and the castle. And our first vinyl figure is... I think that's Belle. And it is! And Belle is a rare. She's a 1 out of 144. That's awesome. I wonder who we're going to get in the next box. And it's Ariel. And Ariel is a Hot Topic exclusive. She's a 1 out of 24. We hope you enjoyed celebrating 500 subscribers at Disney with us. We love our subscribers, and we couldn't do wonderful things like an unboxing at Disney without you. So thank you so much for subscribing. Okay everyone, see you real soon.